Hey guys, and welcome to my video. And I hope y'all send me some slimes. My name is Lonnie Harrell. I'm making this video because I really want some slimes. Send me some fan slimes and I will show you something. And I will show you mine slime. But now, let's get started. Okay. I did sword. Okay. Do. Okay. Really tired. Are you kids tired? No. No, we're not tired. Okay, but I have to warn you, your father will be back soon. Mother. Hey, keep that. Keep it. Stop. Yes. This is Violet.
I'm sure it's tilted enough so they can see you and not me.
Okay. Let me just. Ooh. This is Violet. This is Violet. Let me take a close up. Violet, what is your true identity? I can't tell. Or, I'm gonna be grounded. See ya. Okay. Who's going to be next on my news report? Anybody wants to be next? I think I want to. I'm so pretty. My uncle said I look creepy. Let me chill out. Let me just down. And what is your name? What is your name? Name. I really don't have a name. Oh, get that camera out of my face. So, what is your name? Okay, my name is... Kids, help me over here. Tracy. My name is Tracy. And your kids, Violet and Marco. Violet and Marco, come on. So their names are Violet and Marco. Okay, I see. So Marco turned himself green? What's up with that? This news report is getting on my nerves. What are you doing in my house anyway? Get out! Okay. Violet, what is your true identity? I told you, I can't tell. Da-da-da. I can't tell. Ooh! Gotcha! Ooh! And your name is? You could just call me Elephant. Elephant? Coming. Well, that was rude. Who's this dinosaur? This is my husband. He turned himself into a dinosaur. Let me see. Oh, well. Little helpless dinosaur. What is he looking at? Get this camera out of my face. This camera is getting on my nerves. Okay, he's not a camera person. Anybody else needs a close-up? Like you, mister. You need a close-up? Let me give you a close-up. Let me give you a close-up. Close-up. Look at his eyes. You saying something by my man's eyes? What? Okay. You. So, this is my chair. This is me. So pretty. These are my toys. This is my water bottle. Needs to get out my way. Hold up. For a second, I just need y'all to get in the spotlight. For me, please. Oh! Okay, you can move. So, everyone, as you can see, I might not be a part of this, but I will be a part of it because this is my video. So, shout out everything. I get everything set up. So, I'm going to shout out to the people I really like. Inquisitor Master, her real name is Alex. Just the Mirror, Charlie. Oh, Funnel Vision. Lexi. I like your Roblox. And Chase. And Michael. Sean, I want to know how old are you? And Funnel Dad and Funnel Mom. Y'all guys are crazy. I like y'all calendars. Y'all got a whole collection. Lexi, I want to know how old is your real family? Another shout out to Zachary. Yeah, Zachary. Another shout out to Zachary and his own video with Inquisitor Master. Inquisitor Master is my favorite. She's the best. And she's funny. And she sounds like Cat of a salmon cat. Are you Cat? You sound like her? And you react like her. Funny. So, let me get to my videos. Those are the people that I really like. And everybody who knows their videos, I want slime cute. If you know where I live. My name is Lonnie Harrell. That's my... Oh, what was that? I want it. Thank you. Like it? Look at me. Look at me. You see me? Okay. That was my mom. She has great hair, better than mine. Okay. Well, I'm going dreads. My sister's not. So let me get to the video. Okay. Ow. playing. The father and the mother are hanging out. One. Okay. Hi. Two little boys was goofing around. And then they saw this beautiful house. So they rang the doorbell. And they said, "What? They're not answering. We just want to play." Ring it again. Okie dokie. Mom, Dad, somebody's knocking on the door. I'll get it. Who is that? Ah, yeah. Ah! What is so scary about? Ah! Come on, you two little boys. Okay, Uncle. Uncle? Yeah, these are your cousins. And, sweetheart, you need to get up. Rah! You're embarrassing yourself. Oh! No, I'm not. Give me a kissy. Oh, sweetie, stop embarrassing me. I'm gonna go. You have to leave already? Of course I have to leave. Oh, fine, I'll make sure Violet finish her songs. And to me, I hope you listen to my video. What video? I said no videos allowed. But Daddy, you really shush. Wink. Winky, why you? Oh, yeah, we won't do it. Wink. Oh, so you're telling the truth? We'll just sit down and just do nothing but sing our song. Okay, I'll just go up there and do the piano. Come up here. Pew, 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 pew. I'm dancing on the street. Are we? Pew, 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 pew. I'm dancing on your street. I'm looking so pew, pew. I look like a cutie that looks like a monster. Wow. Looking like a monster, looking like a creepy. I'm so creepy. I scare girls. Ew. You tell me you love me, but I ain't been feeling it lately. You say like keeping me. Oops. Keep it for looking so crazy. Coming at 6 in the morning. Where you been? Where you been? Who is that texting? Who is that texting your phone? Just a friend, okay. Yo, it's a bit a lie. It's nothing you can never hide. Already got the screenshot, so you know there is nothing to deny. You be creeping and freaking and sneaking like you never lose me. Okay, that's it. I don't know. It's going to be the next episode. I want to see it.